What's going on, App Grind Nation? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid daily to copy and paste links. If you're interested, then stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid daily to copy and paste links. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. Now, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, please watch this video to the very end so you will know every step you need to take to make money daily just copy and pasting links. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and get started. Let's get it! All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called short.st. And what this website does, it shortens links. So once you shorten your link and when somebody clicks on it, you'll get paid. So it says here, monetize your website and links you share. So when you get a link from somewhere, you come here, shorten it, and repost it. When they click on it, you'll make money. And they pay out the 10th of every month. And they pay out through PayPal or WebMoney or Payoneer. So if you have any of those payment platforms, you can get paid every 10th of the month from just copying and pasting links. Now, let me tell you how you're going to be able to get paid and how you're going to get traffic to these links. So what you're going to do is go to YouTube, and I'm going to show you where you can go to YouTube and get some popular videos that will have people clicking on your link, and you can make a lot of money. So let's go to step 2 right now. All right, I'm on YouTube, and what you're going to do is search for Fortnite videos. That's just one niche you can use, gaming niche, and use, one of the most popular videos, gaming videos that's out. And Fortnite is real popular. So as you see here, I'll put in Fortnite, and I see right here, here's a video just been up for 8 hours. It has 113K views. So you can copy that link, take that link over to short.st, shorten it, and what you're going to do after that is go to Facebook, and you're going to join a gaming group. A gaming group where you can paste video links in there. And so you get a real popular one just like this one. Find a Facebook group, a gaming Facebook group, put that link in there, and they're going to start clicking on it. And once they start clicking on it, you're going to start getting paid. So this is one idea you can do. There are several ideas you can do. You can just go on Facebook on your page and just put trending topics from YouTube and put it on your page if you have Facebook, or everybody has Facebook. So you can do that. So every time they click on it, you will get paid. So it's so many things you can do. You can pick any niche, any any popular niche, relationships. So you can look up things on YouTube about this dealing with relationships or dealing with weight loss. I mean, it's so much you can do. So many niches you can use to just copy a link, take it to short.st, shorten that link, or post it on your Facebook page or a Facebook group, and they start clicking. So that's it. All right, so now you know how to get paid daily to copy and paste links. So go ahead and go to that website called Short ST, shorten your link, and paste that in a Facebook group and start making that money every time somebody click your link. All right, that's all I have for today. And thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. And for doing so, I have a proposition I want to give you guys. If you can help me get to 300 subscribers, I'm going to reward a lucky person with free money. And all you have to do is leave a comment down below. I'm currently at 282, so I don't have that much far to go to get to 300 subscribers. So what I'm going to do, once you leave that comment down below and leave a comment in my future videos that's leading up to the 300 subscribers, what I'm going to do is randomly pick a comment and reward that person with $20 cold hard cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. It's your choice. So go ahead and drop that comment down in this video and subscribe to my channel. All right, that's all I have for today. Please smash that like button if you like what I've talked about today. Drop a comment down below if you have a question. Share this on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this on a daily basis. All right, I'm done. I'm finished. Finito. But you don't have to go just yet. You can watch one of my recommended videos right here, or you can watch my recent video right here, or you can watch all my videos right after I tell you this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch my videos. Peace.